Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, Couponing with Melissa Love. Today we're going to be going into Walmart and we're going to be grabbing free, cheap, and moneymaker deals, guys, which is amazing. I am going to be leaving a printable breakdown for you guys in the description box down below. If you guys are excited and you guys do enjoy this video, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more deals and savings. And let me know in the comments what deals did you guys do this week and what deals are you guys planning and most excited to do this week. So yeah, let's go in store for these deals. Alright, the Dove bar soaps are priced at $1.88. You're going to submit your receipt to Shopkick for 485 kicks, which is $1.95 back. It's going to make your final cost free and a 6-cent moneymaker, guys, which is amazing. Our next sale is on the U by Kotex panty liners. These are priced at $3.14. You're going to go ahead and pick up 2 for $6.28. You're going to submit to Ibotta for $1.50 back, to Shopman for $4 back on 2, or to the Coupons app for $4 cash back. It's going to make your final cost for these products only 78 cents for both, guys, which is another amazing deal. Another amazing deal is on the Armor All wipes. These are priced at $5.12. You're going to pick up 2 for $10.24. You're going to submit to Swagbucks for $5 cash back, to Ibotta for $5.47 cash back. Makes your final cost free and a $1.61 moneymaker, guys, for these two products, which is amazing. Another great deal that I know Aluna is going to love is on the Caesar dog food. These are priced at $16.96. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up 1, submit my receipt to Ibotta for $5 cash back, submit to my receipt to Shopman or to the Coupons app if your app is still active. You're also going to submit to Shopkick for $1.86 back, which is 465 kicks. It's going to make your final cost only $5.10 for this product, guys, which is amazing. I am super excited because these are finally in stock at my store. So this is priced at $18.98. You're going to go ahead and submit your receipt to Ibotta for $10 cash back, to Shopman for $10 cash back, or to the Coupons app for $10 cash back. It's going to make your final cost a free and a $1.98 moneymaker for this product, which is amazing. Another great deal is on the Wick Warmer. These are priced at $3.78, but it's not in stock at my store. You would submit to your receipt to Ibotta for $4 cash back, to the Coupons app for $2.09 back. It's going to make your final cost free and a $2.31 moneymaker. If you guys do have the the product available, you should definitely pick it up because it's such a great moneymaker. I'm going to go ahead and pick up the single warmer priced at $1.98. I'm going to submit my receipt to the Coupons app for $2.09 back. It's going to make my final cost free and a 11-cent moneymaker. Another deal I'm really excited to do is on the Fabuloso. This is priced at $3.47. You're going to submit your receipt to Shopkick for 655 kickbacks, including the scan kicks, which is $2.62. It's going to make your final cost only 85 cents for this product, guys, which is definitely a great deal. Now, this is an amazing deal. So you're going to go ahead and pick up these Glad trash bags priced at $9.48. Your total is going to be $18.96. You're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta for $4 cash back for both, to Swagbucks for $12 cash back. It's going to make your final cost for these products only $2.96 for both of them, or $1.48 each, guys, which is incredible and amazing. I'm really excited for that deal. Our next deal is on the STEM products. These are priced at $6.98. You're going to go ahead and pick up 2 for $13.96. You're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta for $4 cash back on 2. Submit your receipt to Shopman or to the Coupons app for $7.50 back. It's going to make your final cost only $2.46 for both, guys, which is amazing. Another good deal is on the Lysol toilet bowl cleaners. These are priced at $1.82. You're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta for 75 cents back. It's going to make your final cost only $1.07 for this product, which in my opinion, it's not a bad deal. So go ahead and pick it up if you definitely need this product. Alright guys, if you guys need any dish soap, I know this isn't the best deal, but this is priced at $7.98. You're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 cash back. It's going to make your final cost only $5.98. All right, another deal I'm going to be doing for my son is on the Lunchables products. I'm going to go ahead and pick up 4. You could pick up 1 if you like, or as much as you need. So these are priced at $1.82. So 4 of them, it's going to total me $7.28. Ibotta has a 65-cent rebates on each product. So I'm going to get back $2.60 for all 4. It's going to make my final cost only $4.68 or $1.17 each one, which is not bad. It's a lot cheaper than the lunch makers, which is the Armor one, I think. But yeah, so go ahead and pick it up if you definitely need them. All right, these Pampers wipes are priced at $23.47. You're going to submit your receipt to Shopkick for 3,150 kicks, which is $2.60. It's going to make your final cost only $10.87 for this big box of wipes, which is incredible. All right, guys, we are back inside from Walmart, and everything went amazing, guys. I'm really happy. I went ahead and submitted all my receipts right now sitting in the car because I was scared. I was like, I'm not going to go home and submit them and have them disappear, especially for the Pampers wipes. I needed the wipes. And then, so yeah, let me show you guys the receipt and the amount of rebates that I did get back. All right. So this is all of the items I picked up. So my subtotal was $121.06, right? With my employee discount, all right? Without my employee discount, it was $134.28, my subtotal, all right? So I paid out of pocket with taxes and my discount card $127.93. All right, I submitted my receipt to the coupons app and I got back $18.59. To Shopmam for the raid, I got back $10 cash back. And to Swagbucks, I got back $17.05. And to Shopkick, I got back $14.84. And to Ibotta, I got back $35.32. So guys, this is a total of $95.80 worth in rebates, which is amazing. So yeah, so my taxes, my out-of-pocket cost today with taxes and my discount card was $127.93. I got back $95.80 in rebates, made my final cost only $32.13, and all of this was worth $134.28. And I saved $102.15 today, which is 75% savings of, I think, a little more. So yeah, so this is kind of like my little breakdown here. I know it's bad, but when I get home, I can lay all the products down for you guys so you guys can see all the items that I picked up. So I was super excited. Like, look, like these came out super great, super great. And then the dog food, like Luna is going to love this dog food, guys, which is amazing. She's gonna be obsessed with these. And my husband, he wanted these wipes to clean his car, and these were free in a moneymaker, which is insane. So yeah, I'm really excited how everything played out. And then, oh, the Pampers wipes. Let me show you guys that. The Pampers wipes. This is a 672 count. So buying this was a lot cheaper than buying the Walmart brand, which was the 600 count. And they were priced at, I think, $12 and some change. So with the Shopkick offer, these came out to be like $10 or so with some change, which is amazing, guys. And it's a name brand, and it's a sensitive one. So yeah, I'm really excited. And I'll show you guys the layout at home. And then, so yeah, let's go. All right, guys, I wanted to lay out everything for you guys so you could see what are the products that I picked out today. So yeah, I did pick up the Palmolive and the Lunchables. My son likes Lunchables, and the Palmolive, I needed it, and there was a $2 Ibotta rebate on the app. All right, so as you guys know, I'm not sure if you guys do know, the coupons app will be going away soon. I think it's on June the 30th. So my account is still active, so I went ahead and submitted, my receipt for a few offers. There goes Isabela. For a few offers, and then I did submit, because I forgot to submit the raid to the coupons app. I submitted it to Shopmam, all right? So yeah, I was like, okay, so if coupons going away and then Shopmam, they still have the same offers. I was like, let me take advantage of the coupons app just in case I want to do more offers using Shopmam. So yeah. These are everything, all the products that I picked up. This was $134 worth of products for only $32 with some change, guys, which is amazing. I know the cat's there. If you guys enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate all the love and support that you guys give me and this channel. I'll see you guys on the next one. And again, bye-bye. Isabella. Meow. Psst, psst, psst. You want to say bye? She's crazy.